Hello, my lady. Oba Van Odo. Iteti we mamu from one of your followers here. Iteti we enjoy make it now. Udonwe Lolo. I say na te ati we but na me river or they busy or something. Udonwe Lolo ni. Na te a iti we because always spending ni anjo ni. Osime. Owa atma we no de. We because of see Maleke. Edi de ti or guaro. Osi Maleke the guy here. So we Maleke sefi ya segbo sage ya but say give me be my own equator. Say give we yan be Maleke oga Lolo be Maleke oga room. So the boy na was confirm me we Maleke o be tami ya was ya fife me on matter ma be do ya we Lolo that 7 hours ni no gbe ni erita tani we ni e wanta no owo 7 hours owo go agwe we ya ruwo gwa owo to te gbe Lolo wa o te yi kia finish Lolo owe Lolo ma ti pagbe even se fu we na te maybe no awe this video no una te we ni egbe hin awo e won egbe right the right source no o egbe maybe unu Maleke me na kere because Maleke ere ya tamega na imega realize self Maleke ona ti ona de gbedo ana egbe ha yin na wa bi we saga be but ma ni Maleke we saga we Facebook again awe yana Lolo we ya we abeg you ni ni ti gbo o ma ti o ma se ti o is we tell the room again ya ho ni mana mi oni o we no so no mana re o we o ma ti pagbe we te Maleke si gbo na we ya no si o ma o te gbe wa o ma ti pagbe be bedi o so no na gbese we oni no mana ti le sikini ya jive ni na ho ya na ka we awo ije we yo na do atoge we die ya we shopping e room o wa ye Maleke wa do vagai e room o we finish ene o ri wo egun mo na we ba ni na we abi mi o pe abi so pe o ko ma ti pagbe be bed wona we to agbin yen wa o ma ti pagbe bed dun o ye ti relax ne ti get egbe back again or ze ona di pagbe na do ade die kini aga jibe kini na ho so e dey tin Maleke wa no Maleke ti wa gbe wa we ute we room ni no ga ji you ya say gbe ni sisi ata wa you not tell me we aga ji we that time ni be genu wa jire where ye mami we uma be tin ma we ya Maleke wa se ma ya na ate ni ma na mo fun o wa ri fun ni fun pa Maleke is a we to take gbe wa we ti gbo no ya we owo gere ya we owo mighty you know we no pagbe na ni mi adu pa wona we yen se ti pagbo ma se ti pagbe be bed we ya wo ga hia yo mighty pagbe ona ta the boy na Maleke na ta me gana no wa ta me na we ma ta o yen si o yen mo do yen do atari o ge mo ave
street action. But I want to plead with everybody. Like I said, this video is going to be brief and very brief. Just to lay one or two complaints. You know, big bros, how are you? I'm fine, oh, Ab. Let us say, I've never heard your name for bad thing, but don't start it now. Who be this precious one? I beg, leave me now. What it concern me concern? Obes, Yeke says, greetings, Machala, Edubo Alpha. Blessed, like I said before, please spread the video if you can. You know, say, different act people till they come online. You know, some will just come, they shall spread the video. Yeah, they're making money and all of those things. It's not a bad one. But this one, I just want us to learn. It's becoming rampant in our society. And most especially the Benin communities. The Benin's communities. I've said this over and over, not the only with the Facebook, not the only with the TikTok. Maybe some other time I will still do a TikTok live to address these same issues. If you don't know person, not be by force to know the person first. And if you want to know the person and the person don't allow you know him, leave him now. Life not ahead. The sky is just too wide that you can fly on your own. without the help of anybody. Now, I think I tag a title on this program, or this little video I'm about to, drop now, like rumors are carried by hatred. Hatred, now they take rumor first. If they just hear, bam, without asking, babe, don't go. It's hatred. Yeah, so rumor till they go. Then fools, we not go and look at the definition of fools. We not spread it. Share unnecessary. I don't know how to put it. You just spread. The one we know fi share, you use smart, add fire, put, hey, come here. Oh. You want to build your page or what? With rumor. I hear. Without making an inquiry. Yes, definitely we hear different news every day. It's bound to happen. Without making an inquiry. There is difference between you make an inquiry and the person involved refuses to answer, and right. Or the other one, you know who make inquiry at all. You just enter street. Pa! Spread them. It's being spread by fools. As rumor. Carried by hatred. Or haters. Then you know the people with the belly full and with the chop palm, they're not going to digest and go there inside them. Those are idiots. They call them idiots. Idiots, that's what they call them. That's why they said rumors are carried by haters, spread by fools, and accepted by idiots. You know why they talk these things so? Look at the case of E-Money. Most of them are here. The guy is still in jail. Something like that. But they come on a low. They suffer waiting based on say one BB page. You just sit down, just plan somebody downfall and spread it out. When I hear the story that time, I say Junior Pope, it's the actor. When E-Money want to assist the family, somebody just came out from nowhere and say, he dey sleep with a wife. Now he make her, those children say, they look their face. How can you say that? Now when they trace you, catch you, lock you up, people come out to the beg. Now that time your parents will come and say, yes, there's a big beg online. Everybody is accusing Burna Boy about spirituality. On my own take, I say no. Spirituality is my friend. Burna is my friend. But at the same time, I relate them. Say, man, you messed up. How you just sit down, just begin buzz bash somebody, or in the name of you want to trend, or in the name of what now? You are denting someone's career, someone's image, or in the name of, yes, controversy must be entertainment now. I agree. Why you don't follow the positive controversy? Now they arrest you, everybody's pleading. It's not a good one. It's hard time. And this is very common within the Benin communities. Not be only with the Facebook. Not be only with the Facebook. When you don't talk, finish now, they don't quack you. Then people will come begin beg. You not hear them now, they'll say you are wicked. Some will say now oppression because you know the who and who. No. No. I'm just saying this generally. I heard about one. Well, I don't even want to talk about it. Maleke, what do they call her? They say Lolo school, I mean Maleke, what do they call her? But then if they call the other person. You know, there are some certain things you just ignore. There are some certain things you just have to follow it up. Yes. You know, say most times people they look and say because people when they do this thing that they are abroad. No. You physically trace somebody for abroad. The one you cannot do, you do it straight. And so me abio. The one where not fit cash you to prove them when and how. You go use the streets. You go work out now. Nobody wicked, nobody bad. Now people they make people bad. Go to say this guy mind, they back. I don't want to go into the governor of Edo State because some people say wicked. Yes, he wicked. But I don't know what he means. Some say inheritance. I don't know. But something they make somebody, they're not the born picking just wicked. No. Every child is innocent. Until along the line, either hereditary or how they train you or the people you associate yourself with, or you just get evil mind. Therefore, you sponsor your delivery. I'm just trying to say this because I think it's getting out of hands. You can't just dent someone's image and just feel free, be happy, say you spread bad news. And if they quick go with fools, they share, you never hear, you never hear. Somebody will just sit down, just they look, gossip, they call it, what do they call it? Saga. What is your game? If they put food for your table, you that is watching it, you are the biggest, you are the biggest of all when it comes to the problem attached to it. You are the biggest of all. Because you settle down, if you not watch them, those people tomorrow they'll say, people not watch this thing, follow us, not follow them. They'll slow down. Only you just they talk rumor, only you they lie, nobody they follow you. You not go slow down. You will. But now we they encourage and we go put fire, we go blow them. I'm just trying to pace this out. Like I said, I'm going to be brief on this video. I can say make I hate some people, make I you hate some people. Guy, you be our guy. We know you slept with Lolo. You see the problem I'm talking about. See the guy first message when I go there. Damn. These people where they come online, una be women, right? Some now women, yes. If I see any man where they join, they talk, say this one, it don't finish. But you will sit down for life as a woman. You dey forget say your children, internet never lies. They sleep. Internet not dey sleep. It dey remind you. Your children will wake up one day and see that shit. Your mama sit down for life. They talk. Or your sister. Now people born these children. Or now people born these women. And they still come born. From nowhere. You see why some people they avoid some certain things. Some will say, if any man come meet me now, say this man, say, may I not say man, any rumor meet me, say, oh boy, all those I will say, oh best, yeah, okay, set when I dey talk. Bro, some I dey confirm, some I go ask, make I talk am, or say talk am, some say not talk am. If you hear say this man, this pikin, not being born am, another man or a friend, I born am, I sleep with a wife, this, they're not for use and send you message. Or maybe the person still say you be army, but you go help and spread and I push and give you. But if you are wiser, look for the other, not they follow one side, judge. Look for the things now you be judge and you like to talk. There are people born for gossip. Try to see gossip. Go find out if it's true. Or else, at times, I not call for jungle justice. So some certain things will take place. As far as you they breathe and you they travel, not be only Nigeria that they for wait for person now. That they wait for person outside the country. Yes. That thing where this will say this one talk. You go come out. Come prove am. Tell me when. Tell me how. Who said it? I know they answer all this talk where they talk. But it's our time. Some people you find them, you use one to do example. Not talk am out. When they arrest Spindality, now 3 days now it take before people come with the app. If not be born boy when we say someone missing. Nobody for good no. No arrest person say I don't arrest. No, you go quack am until you prove I'm wrong. And those way they spread them. They say who thief at times, they feel not see and cash. But you see that thing with the thief, maybe they thief your trouser. Now where you foresee, say they hold your, but person will wear your trouser, where you know your trouser, you see them for your hand. Now that person you go hold. Say, see the thief. I think I will go bring the thief. So those of you that loves to spread negativity, get where now talk this talk. The person who not talk against, now you go home. Not be the person where say tell you. Now you will come to drag the person where tell you. We should stop this act now. Now people image now the fire down. If you do am, he go tell you say you do am. Yes. Anything that happen at times, so you say something happen. Na him make am, na him cause am. He get genesis where from start. What led to that thing? If you really want to be a good activist or what do they call them? Journalist, go for it to the end. Search for who said it and how it happened. If you love to educate people on live TV like this, broadcast, try to go further to know what happened before you come out with your big mouth. and begin to sound like it's true, it's that, it's this. If they all una now, some of them, if you see where they stay for the Nigeria self, dead. But you come out on here and say all sort of things. Now, friend, now this one, bed of the same feather. No, that's not true. That's not true. If you are too careful, it be like vehicle. When you dey drive motor, some people say, no, I know they go internet to no talk. If they would they talk, no talk. No bad news. It's good and bad. No news lasts for 2 weeks. No news lasts for 2 weeks. If you come online and talk, say somebody thief or somebody sleep with person wife or somebody snatch, in less than, wait till be 2 weeks, in less than 1 week, another news don't come out. That is how it is. One news not they last forever. If you dent someone's image now and dent someone's name, coming out to say, hey, now so it be, say, don't talk and the whole world no. In less than 2 days, 3 days, the news don't finish. Many lie where they talk about, or many things where they talk about Apostle Suleiman. Many things where they talk, even Archbishop Bessie Dausa. These are men where they preach every day. We are just entertainers by the grace of God. Yeah. So people will call us image makers or what have you. But then, these are men that stand on the pulpit. But they are still there. Some don't forget. Some anytime come on board, they'll say, I see what they talk one time. Why some way talk and come confess? Or why some way lied or come arrest them? People come they beg. Why must you take your family members to pass through this shit? Why? Why? Well, I'm just trying to advise the general public. I beg, make we try and mind our business. In as much some will say, na content. Look at the other guy we go dent AY image. Say, the gate man, na he pregnant. How they, why, person wife, person family? Why, no, I don't, what, which joy una they get for this? Which joy? How can you, how you think they sit down, you think they comfortable? Talking about people's, God. You guys saw no carry the go station. Just run, not be, I'll call it jungle justice. I'm not trying to promote jungle justice, but some just deserve it. Pen blue, woto. Now people, they make people bad, like I said. They'll say, this man felt good, but he come wicked. Now people. So that one go to say, na the gate man, na the fire, a wife, and I mean, they know the quarter. Later they catch you na devil walk. I just say, devil, until devil come out for Osho the road, or if not beneath for ring road, they cry, say, he goes through, they come out, they cry. So lie, they will not go your talk. If they don't catch them, say, not be me talk, not be me talk, and they like, devil go soon, they come out, they defend himself. If that's what you people want. You know, I owe no one explanation, first and foremost. I'm just doing my thing. I play a lot, and I just got to be myself. But we should just try to deviate from this rumor thing. I swear. This rumor thing, we should just try to deviate ourselves from it. It's not working. It's not taking us anywhere. Most especially the Benin community. If you never enter saga, you say, our saga. What's your gain on all of this? What is your gain? The person where you want damage the image for no reason. Nobody don't get seen. Everybody gets seen. Now talking United a year. But Wetin no concern person. Wetin you know who imagine. I have one friend. I dey tell am say, how you take dey think am? You no need to tell am full story. You just tell am say, Mr. James pass our street. Finish. If he cook story give you. That time that they ask them say,